Good morning, dear students. Now we are taking exercise 6.1, question number 5. You see here, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake, and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the speed of 5 centimeter per second, the waves move. So, at the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? So the question, suppose this is the center where the stone was dropped, okay, and then the waves start this way and it moves. Suppose the first wave that was created, it was having radius r, and after that the waves moves in this one, no, at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. That means this is 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter per second. So again 5 centimeter per second. That means the radius is increased here. That is rate of increase in the radius is dr by dt. Rate of increase of radius with respect to time. As time is increasing, then the radius also is increasing. At what rate it is increasing? 5 centimeter per second. So what is given here, that a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. It means actually the rate of increase of radius, no? Rate of change of radius with respect to time is 5 centimeter per second. Okay, that is dr by dt. And area of a circle, area is pi r square. So rate of increase in area is dr by dt with respect to time is 2 pi r into dr by dt. Means its derivative 2 pi r, then derivative of r also with respect to time. But here it is given dr by dt is 5 centimeter, so we will write here 5. So 2 pi r into 5 centimeter square per second. So it will be equal to 10 pi r centimeter square per second. This is the rate of change of area with respect to time. Now rate of change of area with respect to time at an instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, means r is equal to 8 centimeter. That time we have to find out the rate of change of area. So dA by dt when r equal to 8 centimeter is equal to 10 pi into r. It was, no, here it was r. So at the place of r, what do we have to put here? This is r. So here we have to put that 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter square per second. So that will be equal to 10 into 8, 80 pi centimeter square per second. This is the rate of change of area with respect to time. This is the answer. Go to question number 6. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. That means here dr by dt is given. This is value of dr by dt. Okay, dear students. Next is here we have got, this is dr by dt. So what is the rate of increase of its circumference? Rate of increase of its circumference, you have to find. Circumference of a circle is twice pi r. So rate of increase of its circumference is 2 pi, it will be, because twice pi is difference derivative. So we'll write here dr by dt is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second, and circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So therefore dc by dt will be equal to 2 pi, means ddt of this one into dr by dt. You understand now? This we are actually finding ddt of c circumference is equal to ddt of twice pi r. So its different derivative is 2 pi, and derivative of r again dr by dt. So now here 2 pi into dr by dt it is given as 0.7 centimeter per second. Put here 0.7 centimeter per second. So 2 into 7 is 14, 1.4 into, you can use the value of pi also here. Pi value, if we use here 22 by 7 centimeter per second. By 7 you can cancel also, 0.2. So it will be 4.4 centimeter per second. That is rate of change of circumference with respect to time. This is our answer. Question number 7, you see, dear students, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. So that means dl by dt is equal to 5 centimeter per minute, or you can say dx by dt. And the weight y is increasing, dy by dt is 4 centimeter per minute. When x is 8, y is 6. Find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. So here length is x and height is y. Given that dx by dt means rate of change of length decreasing, it is decreasing. Since it is decreasing, it will be negative. So it is minus 5 centimeter per minute, since it is decreasing. And dy by dt, rate of change of this is weight, since it is increasing, it will be positive, means 4 centimeter per minute. Now question is here, what is the perimeter? Find the rate of change of perimeter. Perimeter is actually what? 2 times length plus weight. So rate of change of perimeter will be dp by dt will be equal to 2 times of dx by dt plus dy by dt. No? Then 2 times of, here it will be 2 times of dx by dt is minus 5 plus dy by dt is plus 4. So the result is minus 1. That is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. So therefore the rate of change of perimeter is it is decreasing. That means 2 centimeter per minute. Rate of change of perimeter is 2 centimeter per minute. Therefore the rate of change of perimeter is equal to, that is minus 2 centimeter per minute. Now area, again area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Then rate of change of area, that is dA by dt, is equal to ddt of x multiplied by y. So then it will be equal to ddt of x into y plus y ddt of y into x. So it will be, that is dx by dt into y plus dy by dt into x. So here dx by dt is given as, dx by dt is minus 5 y plus, now dy by dt is given as 4 into x. So this is the rate of change of area. Now at an instant, that means when x is given as here 8 centimeter and y is 6 centimeter, that means dA by dt at the instant when x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. That time dA by dt will be minus 5 into 6 plus 4 into 8. That is equal to Minus 5 into 6 is minus 30, plus 4 into 8, 32. That is equal to 2 centimeter per second, per minute. 2 centimeter square per minute, because it is in area. So the rate of change of area, therefore rate of change of area at the instant x equal to 8 and y equal to 6 centimeter is equal to 2 centimeter square per minute. This is our final answer. Okay, yes students. Question number 8. Dear students, a balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. So 900 cubic centimeter cube per second. That is the rate of change of volume, you can say. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. Okay, we have to find out dr by dt. Okay, dear students, volume of a sphere, we know that it is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So suppose it is V is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now rate of change of volume with respect to time is now 4 by 3 pi into r cube's derivative is 3 r square into r's derivative dr by dt. So this is cancelled here. That will be equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. But according to question, the rate of change of volume is given as 900 centimeter cube per second. 900 centimeter cube per second. Then from here, if we extract dr by dt, these numbers will come down here. It will be equal to 900 by 4 pi r square. It is centimeter per second, because it is the rate of change of radius with respect to time. Now r is given here at an instant, dr by dt. We need to find r is equal to here given as 15 centimeter. So then it will be equal to 900 divided by 4 into pi into 15 square, 15 into 15 then. Okay, centimeter per second by 15 6 are 90 in 0 again, by 15 again 4 times, by 4 1 time. So it will be 1 by pi centimeter per second. This will be the rate of change of radius with respect to time. So this will be our answer, 1 by pi centimeter per second. Okay, dear students, this is our answer. Look at question number 9. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the latter is 10 centimeter. When the radius is 10 centimeter, what is the rate at which the volume is increasing? So in this question, the volume is directly related to radius, because the radius is variable. That is, volume is directly dependent on the radius all the time, but this time it is mentioned here that volume is increasing with the radius. That means we can say here rate of change of volume with respect to radius. We don't require to say the rate of change of volume with respect to time, not necessary, because this time volume is increasing with the radius only. So volume, radius both are directly related. Volume is a function of radius. That function directly can be used here. So you can say here dV by dr. dV by dr. We know volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is suppose V is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dV by dr is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. So 3 cancels here. So it will be dV by dr is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Now here it is given that radius of the balloon increases. Find the rate at which find the rate at which its volume is increasing when the radius is given as 10 centimeter. That means we can say dV by dr at r equal to 10 centimeter is equal to 4 pi into 10 square. That will be equal to 10 is 100. So 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter, because it is with respect to radius. Okay, with respect to radius it is changing. So volume is changing with respect to radius. Volume in centimeter cube, radius also in centimeter. So you have to say like this: 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter. When 1 centimeter of radius is increased, this much volume also will increase. That is dV by dr. So this will be our final answer. Go to question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 cm per second. Let us see the situation by means of diagram. Suppose AB is the wall. AB is the wall. And this AC is the ladder. Suppose AC is ladder. AC is ladder. And this is the ground level line BC. Okay. BC is the ground level line. Just changing the color. Ground level line. Now this ladder is given here. Ladder is 5 meter long. 5 meter long. And the wall is suppose x meter. And the foot of the ladder where it touches the ground, that is suppose that distance is suppose from the wall is y meter. And what is the relation between x and y? X square plus y square equal to 5 square. You understand that now? So what this AC is here? Ladder. In figure we can say this way. In figure, in question number 10 we are saying, in figure AB is height of the wall or just wall, and that is equal to suppose x, and AC is ladder, okay, that is equal to 5 meter, and BC is distance of foot of the ladder, BC is equal to y. Okay, so therefore x square plus y square equal to 5 square, that is 25. X square plus y square equal to 25. Now the situation that is explained in the question, that the bottom of the ladder is pulled away from the wall, means in this direction the bottom of the wall is pulled. So then what will happen? The ladder was in this position. When this point C will be pulled towards left side, then the ladder will come down like this. It will come this way down. That is, this height of the wall will decrease now. If the ladder comes into a new position here, suppose the ladder is pushed up to D, from C to D, then this height of the wall will decrease. Now B to E it will be. So now question is, if it is pulled at the rate of, this ladder is pulled at the rate of, the ladder is pulled at the rate of 2 cm per second. That means which we have considered y, the rate of increase of y with respect to time is 2 centimeter per second. Means dy by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. And now question is here, at what rate this wall's height is decreased. That means you need to find out dx by dt. Dx by dt you are asked here, okay, and dy by dt is given to you. Dy by dt, the rate of change of this length of this base is given to you, dy by dt, and knowing this dy by dt you have to find out dx by dt. Okay, rate of change of height of the wall, rate of change of increase of the base of the right triangle form is given to you. So we'll write this way. Let us first differentiate this equation with respect to time. That is, if we differentiate ddt of x square plus y square is equal to ddt of 25, it will be 0. So it will be here ddt of x square will be twice x dx by dt plus twice y dy by dt is equal to 0. Now 2 cancel from all terms here, dividing by 2, it will be x into dx by dt plus, so here cancelling 2 from all terms, then it will be x into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt is equal to 0. But here it is given that the rate of change of the base, means when the ladder is pulled away from the wall, that rate is given to us. So the ladder is pulled, you can say here, but this is suppose equation 1, and but we can say here dy by dt means the ladder is pulled at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. So then here if we put here 2 centimeter per second, then it will be equation 1 will be now, equation 1 will be x into dx by dt plus y into 2 centimeter per second, or just 2 we put, that is equal to 0 using this value dy by dt here in this equation. So we get here x into dx by dt is equal to minus 2y. So from here dx by dt is equal to, we will get minus 2y by x. Now the situation is that when y is 4 meter, when y is equal to 4 meter, by using the relation x square plus y square equal to 5 square by Pythagoras theorem, no? So we can get x also, no? X square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So from here x is equal to 3 meter. 25 minus 16 is 9, square root of 9 is 3, plus minus 3, but minus you cannot take because the height of the wall cannot be negative. So height of the wall is 3 meter. Then this equation, the second equation here, now this equation will give us, second equation will give us that dx by dt is equal to now minus 2 into y, y is 4 meter, it is in meter, and this 2 was in centimeter per second, and this x is 3 meter, because we are using these two values, x is 3 meter and y is 4 meter. Okay, so placing them here, meter and meter cancel, so it will be minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. So that means the height of the wall is decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Therefore we write a line here, therefore the height of the wall is decreasing, height of the wall is decreasing at the rate 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Minus sign represents what? Decreasing rate. And if it is positive, it will be increasing rate. So we don't require to put here when we are saying that it is decreasing. In words we are saying no need of putting here minus sign. So we will just write the height is decreasing at the rate of 8/3 centimeter per second. This is the answer.